Welcome to my channel, Crafting with JoAnn Barrandey. Hey, that's me. Friends, before we get started today, I wanted to show you some beautiful items that were sent to me by Burlap Fabric Company. Look at this beautiful burlap table runner. It's trimmed with lace. Their company carries a variety of table runners, lace and ribbon, burlap ribbon spools. Look at this beautiful lacing. Isn't that pretty? You could use this to trim anything and just make it look so beautiful. Check out their website. They are so reasonable. Their prices are very competitive. They're just amazing with all their products that they carry. Look at this beautiful tote bag. It can be personalized. It can be monogrammed, painted, or you can decorate it with this lace. Look at that, friends. So be sure and check out their website and see what all they offer. They have lots of products, ribbon, table runners, and a lot more, friends. Burlapfabric.com. We'll link it down, okay? Friends, today I have a real quick, simple, easy Easter decoration. You can be using this as a centerpiece, or you can give it as a gift, and it's not very expensive to make. Friends, for under $10, I believe, you can make this cute little Easter decoration. All right, I got this little Easter setup at the Dollar Tree, and they have a variety of these. This one says, "Bunny, please stop here." Yes, at my house. Okay, friends, all I did was stick some pieces of styrofoam into this container, this little container that they have at the Dollar Tree.
Did it already come with the rope around it?
Yes, it's decorated with
nice.
the rope around it.
I wasn't sure if it came that way or you hot glued it.
I did have my husband trim this little thing down just a little bit, the little stake. I think that's as far as it goes. Might go through the table. And for this little project here, and friends, I've never done this before, really made centerpieces and stuff. I'm not very good at it, but you know what? I'm going to give it a try just to let you know you can do it too. And you're going to need 2 of the pink little bushes of flowers and 2 of the purple. And you're going to have to get your little wire cutters, and I just kind of cut them like about right here maybe. This goes really, really quick. It's not going to take long, Eric, I promise you. Say something, Eric.
Say something, Eric.
You're too quiet. You make me nervous when you're quiet. Friends, you can use moss to fill in this area down here, or you can use some of this shredded Easter grass or shredded green shred here. I think I have moss, but I just couldn't find it, so I'm going to make this work. I think it's going to be okay. You just stuff it in there. Going to be too cute. Let's get rid of that. All right, and then you just start playing with it. I'm just going to pull up this greenery right there. Maybe I'll start right here. Well, it's so easy.
No. You don't even know what happened behind you.
What happened?
Notice something?
My bunny lost its eye.
Don't shoot your eye out.
Oh my
Even that buddy is ready for Christmas.
Oh my gosh, why am I having trouble doing this? Oh my gosh. That's what you call bad bunny.
Ugh, I hope I got that on camera. I'll have to review that.
I thought, what is that sound? But it's been so windy here lately that I wasn't really sure if it was coming from outside or inside.
What did you use to put that into that video?
What's that?
What did you adhere that with?
It's that
Oh, it already had sticky back,
yeah,
right?
it has that self-adhesive stuff,
All
tacky
right.
stuff in the back.
So if you've done your own, watch out. The eyes might fall off of it.
That bugs me. Silly bunny. All right. Now, hopefully that doesn't happen again. Hopefully. Okay. And I'm just kind of grasping at straws here because
See, I was quiet waiting for something entertaining to happen.
and it sure did, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And you loved every bit of it.
Absolutely.
Oh, Eric.
Well, you're always like, say something. You're making me nervous over there, like I'm some terrorist holding you captive.
I know, because you make me nervous when you're quiet. You always made me nervous when you were quiet, even as a kid.
Is that because I'm usually bouncing off the wall at 100 miles an hour?
Yes.
Yeah, I would be nervous too if the crazy kid running screaming is quiet.
Yeah, what are you up to? I'm just wondering, why am I having so much trouble doing this?
I don't know.
I first saw this gentleman who's very, very talented. His name is Ramon. He has a channel called At Home with Ramon, I believe. And he made one of these, and I just fell in love with it, went and got everything to make my own, and never had a chance to make it last year. So I thought, this year, I'm going to get her done. He made it look so easy. I guess when you're a pro, and you work with flowers all the time, it is easy.
And I don't know, I'm not an expert at this, but I feel like when I've looked inside of some of those, they have a softer foam on the top. It's probably easier to push through.
I know, but that cost $1.25, and I just wanted to utilize the little pieces that I have left over of. But you're right. It's. How did you know, you little stinker?
I
It's
observed.
called
That's why I'm a good cameraman. I'm always observing things.
It's called floral. Like a floral block.
You don't know, yeah, exactly. You don't know how embarrassing it is when I'm filming automotive stuff and I have to tell the person who's a professional at doing it how to do their job because they're messing up. And they say, what do you know? You're just a cameraman. So that's always the joke. Well, the joke is I've watched other people do it many times, so I know how to do it myself.
I would never say that to you.
Well, people get hot-headed in that industry. It's all right. Doesn't bother me.
I don't know, but you know what? Now that I was talking about the gentleman, Mr. Ramon, that's so talented, we, on our Facebook group page, have some very talented, like I said, we have very talented people on there, but we have some very talented gentlemen. Oh my goodness. They are very creative.
Yeah, Jared and Kenneth.
And there's another gentleman, I can't think of his name right off the bat. And I appreciate y'all so much. I appreciate everybody on that page. And you know what? Oh, my heart just got so filled with joy the other day to find out that they've been sending, some of y'all have been sending friend mail to each other and been helpful, sending patterns when a person doesn't have a printer, and sending supplies when somebody's in need, and if somebody can't find anything that they're looking for, somebody else will find it for them. And see, that was the whole goal of setting up this page when we first started, to be a very helpful group and informative and just be nice to each other. And we have people that are so crafty, and we have beginners that say, this is my first try. Whoa, first try.
There's sometimes I see that and I'm like, whoa, way to make everybody else quit.
First try, wow, you're amazing. But friends, if you haven't had a chance to visit our page. Send us a friend request. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. And
Yeah, we always try and give everything out for free when we can.
yes, we do. And right now, a lot of people are in a bind, and it's so nice. You know, crafting is so good for the heart and soul. Friends, I don't have to tell you this. You know that it's so good for the heart and soul. And some people just need that peace in their life right now. I know that when I'm crafting, I'm oblivious to what's going on around me. As you can tell, I couldn't care less that that little bunny lost its sunglasses, the glass off its sunglasses.
I'm the same way when I'm in the shop. I just, nothing else going on outside of there.
And I usually have my music
Matters.
going, and you too, Eric. You do your music. Oh, look how, friends, look how cute that's looking already. Alrighty, that was how much? $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far. The eggs, 7. 7 that I can think of. And look how cute. If you just need that last minute. I'm going to save this to see where else I need to put it in. Let me see. I want to get some of these to come down a little bit. And I'm doing this because I needed, oh, I love this. I needed a little something on top of that little corner china little cabinet. All right, now I think, friends, I know that I showed you last year. I just took a skew stick.
Those eggs came from the Dollar Tree too?
Mm-hmm. They come in this little 6-pack.
What are they, styrofoam?
No, they're plastic.
Oh, plastic, okay. Are they hollow? They sound hollow.
Yeah, they are hollow.
Okay.
And they have a little hole already in them. So what I did is I took one of these skewer sticks and I nipped it halfway.
Now, where do you get your skewer sticks at?
The Dollar Tree.
Okay.
If I can. Okay, so that's another $1, maybe $8 if you don't have any. But for under $10 or $10 or less, and you just glue it in there like that. So I'm going to try to do this without, I'm going to stick one right there. I'm going to do this over here. When I got to looking at this last night, I got to thinking, I know that is kind of dangerous on my part, but I was thinking, friends, look, these little things would look so amazing on here. Look how you could decorate that with. If I would have thought about it, I would have made some more and I would have used them for decorations. Okay, and I already have a bow made because Eric says I'd take too long. Okay, friends, this is just, and we will do a video on different bows here soon, but I just made a quick loop bow and I'm going to trim the I'm going to dovetail the ends right there. And I think I'm going to put this
Yeah, I think you should probably invest that extra $1 or $1.50 into some floral foam.
floral foam next
Yeah,
time.
just for the very top. You could still fill the whole bottom up, the mass of it, with that regular styrofoam.
It comes in that regular size, but you know what's happened since I'm using a bunch of little pieces, I had to glue them, and when that glue dries in between the pieces, friends, it gets hard and you can't stick your little stick through there. Oh my goodness, this is looking so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Look at that. Okay, and now over here on this side, I'm just going to do, I just took a piece of ribbon and I cut it and I just glued it onto this stick, and then I wrapped a little pipe cleaner around it. I'll have to show y'all that in another video. And I'm just going to dovetail these tails right here. And I'm just going to stick that on maybe this other side. You know, I'm going to the Dollar Tree when I leave here after we video. And I'm going to pick up one of those because I think I'm going to make another one of these as a gift. Is it looking okay?
Yeah, it looks great.
For, like I said, and I think I'm going to go ahead and add some eggs to the back just because it's where I'm going to place it, you're not going to see it, but I think I'll just put one. You're not going to see it. Let me look at it.
I mean, you basically made like $100 kind of bouquet setup out of $10 worth of stuff.
I know. I got to calculating, and I thought, gosh, that is so inexpensive to make. All right, now I feel like it's leaving something out, but I'm not.
Just go with the wind.
There, I needed to pick that up. Okay, friends, what do you think? Comment below and let me know what you think of this quick little centerpiece. Is this not adorable? Oh my goodness, friends, you could make this in no time and use it as a decoration somewhere in your house or surprise somebody with it as a gift. Friends, thank you so much for your love. We appreciate your love and support so much. Friends, remember, start each day thankful with joy in your heart. Love y'all. Bye.